Now, as I mentioned, we're going behind the scenes here at Overdivest Nursery, and we're taking you into the nursery to let you see some of the beautiful plants that are going to be turning up in garden centres near you. And this particular one is a beautiful selection of the Campion. It's called Rowley's Favourite. Now, as you see, it carries lots of these very pretty bright pink flowers on the tips of its growth. Now, here's a plant that loves to grow in a sunny, well-drained condition. In fact, if it's gravelly and gritty, so much the better. And one of the things that you'll look at here is to get some idea of the amount of work that we put in producing our plants. We're going through primping them right now, getting them ready so that when we ship them out to your garden centre, they arrive in the very peak of perfection. So if you're looking for a very pretty, easy to grow, flowers remarkably early, perennial that will set your garden alight with lots of colour in early summer, and then periodically during the rest of the summer, look for this beautiful Lychnis. It's called Rowley's Favourite.